Yes, yes! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I bought a bunch of car gadgets, accessories that I want in my car, and I wanted to show them to you guys because maybe you might want them in your car. You just didn't know it yet. So let's get right to it and see what I got. All right, the first gadget I have here is from ChargerCity. It is a GPS, what is it? Hippo series non-slip dashboard beanbag mount for your GPS. Because I'm always having problems with my GPS falling off the mount, off the suction cup from my windshield, and it hits me in the knee, and I hate it. So I got this. Let's go outside and see how this works. All right, guys, here I am in my car, and I have this guy put up right where I want it, and I was hoping it would fit in here better, but it doesn't. And the way it works is you kind of just take your GPS, fit it in there, and the beanbag will kind of hold it in place. Because what I have now, let me show you, is something like this. So it just sticks onto your, oh, there it is. Sticks up to your windshield, but it keeps falling down every time I hit a bump. It falls down, slaps me in my knee, and kind of getting sick of that. So I'm gonna put it in here, see how well it fits. All right, so check that out. It fits it pretty nice. This is a TomTom. I don't know the size of it, maybe 3.5 inches diagonally, but you can see there's other little slots there that you can put maybe a cell phone and smaller TomToms or Garmin's. Oh, there we go. That's actually not that bad. It's guaranteed not to fall down and hit my knee when it's up there because you got these little grooves. It actually doesn't fit that bad. The only problem with this design is I have my radio back there behind it. You can kind of see the time in my radio, or sorry, the temperature and the time and everything's back there. That kind of sucks, but it's only for long trips where I need my GPS. I don't like using my phone GPS, kind of sucks. I'm just gonna try this out for a little bit. I'm sure I'm gonna like it, but yeah, that's that. Let's see what else I have. All right, so the next car gadget I have here is the Stylist Life-Saving Stinger. It's an emergency escape tool. This looks pretty cool. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, take it out to the car. I'm gonna show you exactly what it does. All right, so what I really like about this is you could stick it into your cigarette lighter, and it does have 2 USB type A ports here. So you can basically, it's not gonna, when you plug it in, it's not gonna just take up your whole charging port there. And it's supposed to have a spring action glass breaker. So if you are stuck, this is supposed to break your glass pretty easily. You can see here, spring loaded glass breaker, razor sharp seatbelt cutter, 2 quick charge USB ports. Awesome. Let's open it. It looks like you can see the razor blade cutter right there for your seatbelt. That's really cool. But this is actually awesome. Let's get it into the cigarette lighter here. Charging port. So once it's in there you go. Kind of dim. Let me boost this up a little bit. There we go. Kind of dim, but you can see it kind of glows blue once it's in there. And the GPS I was just showing you would plug right in there, and then I can put my iPod. Yes, I still have an iPod. Put it right into the other one. But I'm really curious about this glass breaking feature. So I did go buy some glass tiles, and I'm gonna see how well this thing breaks glass. It's not the same as breaking, breaking my windshield here, but kind of curious to see how well that feature works. All right, here I am. I got a glass tile. It's a 8x10 piece of glass that I got from Home Depot. So I think you just press it down. Yeah, it looks like that's how it works. You take this, you press it against a piece of glass, and just pressing it against this piece of cardboard, you hear that little pop. And look at the holes it's putting in the cardboard here. I'm gonna try it just like this and see if it works. You ready? Oh, wow. Jeez. Well, yeah, that worked pretty well on this little piece of glass here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to demonstrate it on my car windows, but you can see how thick this piece of glass is. maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. Broke it with no problem at all. Oh, jeez. Wow. Yeah. This thing's a real deal. I like it. I'll have this in my car from now on. I love it. All right, the next car gadget isn't really a car gadget at all, but I feel like it's a necessity in your car, so I got one. It's a survival kit by Aootek. Aootek? I have no idea what's with the names of these companies, but let's break it open. There's 268 pieces in here. Whoa. All right, so in here, looks like there is a, look at this, a cool little Leatherman type tool, like a little multi-tool. Pliers, looks like there's a little screwdriver in there, a little saw. Look at this. This is kind of cool. Little saw right there. You can see like a nail file, all kinds of little stuff in here, but I'm not going to concentrate too much on this thing. But it's kind of cool they included something like this in here. They have a little mini flashlight, compass. Look at all this stuff. Oh my god, a bunch of band-aids, looks like some fishing line. Triangular bandages, one of those silver emergency blankets, some plastic tweezers. It's like a little emergency knife. Wow, look at that with a belt clip. That's really cool. I didn't know that was in there. Lots of Q-tips, some more bandages, disposable gloves. It's like some tape, little carabiner, scissors. Looks like some fishing line, and looks like there's some safety pins. Not exactly sure what that is. I'm not sure what this is. If you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments below, but I'm not exactly sure. It looks like one of those bracelets you slap on. But I'm not exactly sure what this is used for. It's like there's a mouth-to-mouth mask and a bunch of stuff in here. Let's break this open. It's like a whistle. Let's try that out. We'll try that out in a minute. It's like a chain and those little saw, so you can saw down a branch or a tree if needed for some firewood. You just, yeah, it's kind of textured, and you hold it like this, you wrap it around a tree branch and just saw it. Oh, some flints for starting fire. Oh, cool. Once again, I didn't know this was in there. One of those little multi-tools you can fit right in your wallet, and it kind of shows you a guide of everything that's in here. That's cool. So let's try out this whistle. All right, a little keychain whistle. I have a cat in here. Sorry, Churchy. This is gonna scare her. So let's try it. Okay, enough. That's enough. She's running away. Sorry, buddy. But that's included in there. That's kind of cool. But overall, this is a pretty cool kit. I would really recommend it. It was like 25 bucks or something like that. I would definitely pick this up just to have in your car for emergencies. Let's see what else I have. All right, the next car gadget I have here is the AstroAI digital tire inflator with pressure gauge. Let's break it open. So check this out. You hook this up to your air compressor, and it has a digital readout. There's batteries already in there, I believe. So check that out. So it has the PSI, has all this different measurement tools built right in, and you can turn the light off if you want, but I think the light looks pretty cool. The little accessories that it comes with, looks like there's the attachment. I can hook that up right to my air compressor hose. So I'm gonna hook this up to my air compressor, take it outside, and show you how this works, if it works at all. All right, so here I am right by my tire here. I got this hooked up to my DeWalt air compressor, and as soon as you push the button here, got it hooked up. I put the little accessory right into the hose here, and I'm just going to see if it reads my tire pressure correctly and see how this works. Just hooked up. Cool. That doesn't look right. 12. Let's see if I have this hooked up right. There we go. So it's like 28.4. That doesn't seem right. Where should it be? Okay, it looks like it should be at 40. So it looks like my tires are a little low. So once you start pushing the button, now it's at 30. 32.9. Oh, this thing's great. 35.2. $37.5. I'll go to 38. Yeah, this thing looks like it's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep this right with this air compressor. This is a cool little gadget. I'm gonna do all my tires now, make sure they're all the same. But let's check out the other gadgets. All right, the next car gadget I have here is the Magic Box pockets. Looks like they fit right in between your seat and the middle console. There's a set of 2 of them in here, so that's kind of cool. I'm gonna take them outside and see if they fit in my car. I have a 2017 Escape, so I'm gonna see if it fits. All right, here I am, checking out these little pockets, and it's pretty simple. Just a little fake leather, just a little pocket. You just put it in between your seat and the console here. Back up a little bit, and it's supposed to give you some extra room for, you know, wallet, cell phone, and it's supposed to fit right into any car. So let's see. If I move my seatbelt back, it just fits right in here like this. Kind of like that. That's kind of weird, but I guess it'll work. I mean, it's in there pretty snug. I mean, if I jam it in there a little bit better, look at that. There's nothing really holding it in there, but I can see it having its purposes. Pretty cool. All right, the next car gadget I have here is the FORTEM trunk organizer. Check this thing out. Now I have a hatchback. It's a small SUV, a Ford Escape, and every time I put stuff in the back, it just rolls around. Grocery bags back there, they just fall over. Things are rolling around, cans are rolling around. That's why I got this. And it looks like it folds up, as you can see here. It has 9 compartments, 2 hideaway pockets, 3 large main sections, 4 side mesh pockets. Let's break it open. I'm gonna take it outside, show you guys what's up. All right, so I'm outside my car. So this just came out of the box. Check this thing out. It folds up pretty nice. It has a couple handles here. You can take it out, put it anywhere. But you can see I have this hatch, and I'm just sick of things falling out. So all I did was just pull it open. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. Whoa. Looks like it has Velcro on the bottom too. Yeah, look at that. It just sticks by itself with the Velcro on the bottom, sticks right to the rug. That's awesome. Looks like it has these little sections here where I can take it out, put them where I want. I don't know how. Is this one? Looks like that one in the center is always there. Hooks into the Velcro. Velcro, Velcro, there we go. So now it has a couple little sections for you to put stuff, and it'll move around, but it's not gonna move around that much. Not like my groceries that fall out of the bag and roll around all the time, which I hate. On the side, there's some pockets. Oh, look at that, right here. Couple pockets with stuff in there. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Oh, maybe a top? Like a sunshade. That's cool. I didn't know it had that. And then there's another pocket. Anything inside? Nope. What do you guys think? This is pretty cool. I'm gonna keep this back here because I constantly have stuff that I'm putting back here, and there's just no organization to it. Oh, looks like there's some mesh bags in the front, or some mesh pockets in the front. That's cool. I really like this, guys. There's a couple more of these little dividers. And if I take this out, I'll fold it right back up. There we go. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. There you go. Pretty cool. What do you guys think? I love it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of these car gadgets that I have here? I think that every single one of them is useful in some way, shape, or form. This little AstroAI, absolutely amazing. I did all 4 of my tires. It clips right onto your tire, real super easy. And it shows you right away what you're getting, what kind of air pressure is in your tire. I love this thing. Trunk organizer, great. These little pockets, actually, the little pockets that I have here, not really necessary. I'm gonna keep them in there to see if they actually stay. They look like they're holding as of right now, but we'll see about that. The jury's still out about those things. And then the GPS holder. The GPS holder, I'm going to definitely use that all the time, especially for work where I'm constantly going to places I don't know. I don't want to use my phone. I'm sick of that thing falling down. I'm going to use that all the time. But let me know if you guys have any of these products. Give this video a like. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.